Hello and welcome to my Patreon. I'm going to leave few links in the description, which will be to my website, my ArtStation and my YouTube channel as well. So you can go and basically check it out, what I create, and decide for yourself if you would like to learn more about VFX for games. So in here we will be starting from scratch. I'll create a mesh in Houdini. Then we're going to dive into Substance Designer to create textures. That might include Photoshop as well. And then we're going to go into the game engine, which will be Unreal Engine and Unity, where we will create a material, shaders, and probably particle system as well. It will depend on the month, because for some months we might just create a material, which might be like a portal or some animated decal, and other months it might be various particle systems. I also got a series in both Unreal Engine and Unity on my YouTube channel, where I basically create a setup for VFX artists. So you will learn how to create two characters facing each other and firing projectile, which might be a good start for you. And then if you would like to learn more about that, then I think this Patreon might be for you. So go and check it out and decide for yourself.